One sunny afternoon, Biko the buffalo plays on the grass. He becomes distracted and chases a butterfly. After a long time, he finds himself far from his family. He realizes he is lost. Biko begins to worry. Poor Biko. Layla is sitting in a tall tree when she sees Biko crying. "I'm lost, Layla," Biko cries. "I can't remember how to get back. I have a bad memory." His big tears fall to the ground. "How sad." "You don't have a bad memory," says Layla. "You just don't pay attention. Let's try and remember the way back." First, Layla asks Biko about the river he crossed. "Yes," Biko says as he remembers. "It was very hot, so I drank some water and took a swim in the river to cool down." Together, they start walking back, and they find the river. "Did you pass any special trees?" Layla asks. "Mangoes," Biko shouts as he remembers the big mango tree. "I love mangoes," says Biko as they spot the mango tree from afar. One by one, Layla helps Biko remember. The green hill that looks like a sleeping hippopotamus. The field of tall yellow grass where the zebras like to hide. And the red mountain where the eagles fly high in the sky. Each memory brings them closer to Biko's herd. Then, as the sun begins to set, Biko looks up and sees his family. He jumps with joy. "Thank you, Layla. You helped me remember the way back home," he says. That day, Biko learns a valuable lesson. A good memory starts with paying attention. To watch more stories, just visit our YouTube channel. All stories are in the present, past and future tenses, also available in various languages. How great! Also, members of the Abuti Academy get access to workbooks and much more. Visit our website to find out more about all the language learning materials that we have to offer. www.abutisyllabus.com